my channel. I'm Wanda. So today I'll be sharing my Sephora sale recommendations. I got makeup, a little bit of fragrance, and skincare. So if you want to see my recommendations, stay tuned. And before we get started, go ahead and subscribe. Like the video, and leave me a comment. Okay, let's get started. So first on the list, I'm going to go into fragrance. A few options that I think you should try. First would be Kayali's Juicy Apple. I got the travel size because I wanted to try this fragrance out and see how the notes and how long it wear. Honestly, girl, get you one. I really like the fragrance. It's really nice and sweet. It's a great day scent to me. The notes are juicy apple, wild berries, and jasmine. I love anything with a jasmine scent because it's so sweet and girly and just feminine and sexy. So my next fragrance is YSL Libre. Baby, this one right here, if you know, you know. YSL Libre is that girl. She's that girl. The key notes in this is lavender, orange blossom, and musk. This is like a good nighttime scent if you want to be smelling sexy and grown. Put this on, your man gonna be all over you all night long. Like, I'm just saying, he's going to be. But this is my top favorite scent. I love because all I gotta do is 2 sprays and it stays on me all night long. So definitely get you one during the sale, girl. My next fragrance is going to be the OG. This is the 7 Virtues Vanilla Woods. This is another like day scent, or it could be night scent also. Depends on what your mood is. The key notes in pear, rose, and vanilla. It has a strong vanilla scent if you're into that. But she smells amazing. Like, amazing. She will stay on you all day long. So scent is another floral scent. I guess I'm into floral, you will say. But this is the Prada Paradox. The keynotes in this one is white amber, white musk. It's Noral Bud, if that's how you say it. This is my grown and sexy nighttime scent. I really just got this bottle like literally a few months ago. So I've been using my travel spray one. It's a beautiful floral date night scent. Smells so sexy and so grown. Girl, get you one. So next we're gonna move over to makeup. I guess I'm gonna go in the order with how I do my makeup, and then we can go like that. Okay, cool. These primers, I use them both together. The Milk Grip Primer, if you have oily skin, this is for you. And then this is the Milk Pore Primer. So I use this top part of my face, use this only for like my cheek areas. So these two together are really great primers. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, this primer is okay, but I prefer this one over this one. But I use them both together, so I'm still trying to get used to it to see if I really like it. But overall, they're both great primers though. Especially if you have oily skin, they're really good primers. So next we're gonna go into foundation. So the NARS, this is my holy grail right here, the soft matte. That's what I have on today. So the soft matte foundation, I'm in the shade Macao. Baby, I keep a stock of these because I feel like this is really, I have oily skin. Once again, I have oily skin. So it's kind of hard for me to find a good foundation. What I learned what really works for me is matte foundations. So I really like this, my favorite. So get you one, try it, and let me know if you like it. Okay, but also another foundation that I recently started trying and I'm liking it so far is the Dior Backstage Foundation. Now I'm in the shade 5N. First of all, Dior, why is she so little? Why is she so little? She's the palm of my hand, barely. But this is a good shade also. It's 5N. It's a matte foundation also. I go back and forth with the NARS and with the Dior, back and forth. So far, those two are my top foundations right now, and it's really good for the oily skin also. So try this for the sale. I mean, it's like the same price as the NARS, So with the discount, why not get it? It's on sale. Go ahead and use that %. Then also for the summer, you know, the spring and summer is coming up. We don't like to use heavy foundations. So, you know, a OG, that Fenty Skin, that Fenty Tint, baby. The blurring tint. Now, I'm in the shade 20, but I recently went out of town and I got a tan. So, I don't know if I'm still this shade. I might gotta get another shade. But when it's hot outside and you don't want to wear heavy foundation, this the OG right here. So I'm gonna get you that Fenty Skin, that blurring tint. Tell Rihanna I sent you. Going into concealers. Now, as far as with concealers, I'm loving the Huda Beauty. At first I was against it because as soon as I got onto Huda Beauty, they changed the applicator. There was a different applicator before this one, but I honestly love this brush applicator. Oh my god, it's my favorite. Now, as far as the concealer shades, I go back and forth between caramel corn and toasted almond. Gonna be a little bit lighter some days, or just, you know, my normal highlight. I go in with either or. Another concealer I go in when I want to do my makeup no makeup type of look, I go in with the Born This Way concealer. You know, this is an OG also. Now the shade I use is Maple. I really love this. I done had this for months now. I love the applicator on it also. So next we're gonna go in with setting powders. Setting powders? What? Next we're gonna go in with setting powders. So once I like something, I do not switch it up at all. So the Huda Beauty, the shade I like is Knife. I like a really bright under eye. So this right here, baby, I done got 2. When I like something, I buy 2. Like, that's just my thing. And what's crazy is I bought this at the last Sephora sale. So at least I know I don't need to re-up on this no more. But if you like that good bright under eye, this is it. So next we're gonna go in with press powders. My favorite press powder is the Sephora Micro Smooth. I'm in the shade Toffee. Told you, when I like something, I buy 2 of it. Don't judge me. Like, this is amazing. It's amazing. I love it. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Patrick STARR. This is the translucent powder. I use this for under my eyes when I feel like my eyes have really heavy bags and I want that extra double set on top of the other setting powder that I already set, but I want a triple set just to lock everything in place. That's what I go in with this. I did get the travel size one because I'm still testing it out to see how much, if I still really like it, but I do. So get you one too so you can try it out. Then next will be the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Baby, this is the travel size. We're about to upgrade. It's time. Once again, that oily skin, she locks in your makeup. Like, locks it in. It's not going nowhere. It's not smearing at all. She gonna lock it in. So get you one. Okay, so we're done with makeup. Now the last category is skincare. I go back and forth with my cleansers. I truly do. I use 3 different kinds. It depends on what mood I'm in and I'm gonna use it. But lately I've been using the OLEHENRIKSEN. This is the Finger Balance Oil Control Cleanser. I use this in the toner, in the Cold Plunge Pore Remedy Moisturizer. Now the moisturizer I use every other day, but the toner I use this only when I go in with this. So yeah, every other day also. But these 3 together are in my daily skin routine, even though I use it every other day as far as the toner and the moisturizer, but they're in my routine. It's a really good collection because it helps control my oiliness. Like, I'm oily all up in my T-zone areas and sometimes my chin and my forehead, and it's so annoying. So also I use the Ordinary toner. This is really good for your face. Now I use this day and night, and I started using it under my armpits because I shave under my arms, and so I don't want my armpits to be dark, so I make sure I put a little bit of toner on it. The girls from TikTok told me that. They told me if your armpits are dark, put a little bit of the Ordinary toner under there and it's gonna clear right up. So I've been trying it for 2 weeks now, so I'm gonna keep y'all posted. I love the Ordinary's, the niacinamide. This, I use this day and night. And you see, when I like something, I buy 2 of them, and baby, we're almost empty. Look. See that? Yeah, we gonna re-up on the sale too. But I really love this serum. I won't say I don't have bad skin. If anything, I got like a little bit of dark spots on my cheeks, but it's not bad or anything like that. But I will say that this has cleared my skin up. This cleared my face up. I love this. It is a high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. It clears your blemishes up. Long as you stay using it day and night, it's going to help clear your skin. Also, another thing that I've been using and that I'm loving is the Fenty Skin Cookies and Cream. The Cookies and Cream Detox Face Mask. We haven't opened her yet because we just got her because it was time to re-up. But the mask is amazing. I try to use the face mask at least up to 3 times in the week, and we love the application. Like, love the texture of it. It's amazing. Like, Rihanna did her big one with this. Definitely love that. Definitely helped my skin, and yeah, she's that girl. Next, another thing I've been using and I'm just loving is the Skin Fit. This is the Replenish cream. I use this day and night cream. I like how the glow that it gives my skin after I go in and wash my face and do my tones and exfoliate, and then I go in with this last. It has your face so shiny and so moisturized and so, ooh, it's like it just put the hydration back in your face. But it is a deeply hydrating daily mask that supports the skin barrier and helps boost moisture. Yeah, this is amazing. And then I like the application on it. You just push it down. And it comes out like that. I love this. Next, we're gonna go in with, this is the last thing. I gotta talk about it. The Fenty Skin, the Butter Drop. Like, the original. Like, she is just that girl. This is my 3rd one, y'all. Like, I just keep buying them and re-up. It just smells so amazing, and it's just so it just leaves your skin so shiny. I really love it. I love the moisture in it, and yeah, it's the OG and it's the original one. So you should get it and try it, and let me know in the comments of what you think about it. So that is all my recommendations that I have for you all. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. If you made it to the end of this video, as always, I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye.